Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TurboTax for insurance premium deduction checks, full guide step by step clearly. First, open the TurboTax application on your device. Log in using your TurboTax account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the deductions and credits section from the main dashboard. Scroll down to find the health insurance category. Click on Start or Edit under the health insurance section. Make sure to select the correct year for your tax return. If you have health insurance premiums to deduct, ensure you have your Form 1095A, 1095B, or 1095C ready. Begin entering the information from your health insurance forms into TurboTax. Follow the prompts to input details about your health insurance coverage. After entering the insurance information, TurboTax will guide you through other deduction opportunities. Review your input for accuracy before proceeding. Once your information is complete, TurboTax will calculate your potential deductions. If eligible, you will see your insurance premium deduction reflected on your tax return summary. Make sure to save your progress regularly while navigating through the application. When you are ready, proceed to the File section of TurboTax to finalize your tax return. Select your preferred filing method and follow the on-screen instructions. Confirm all your information and submit your tax return for processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.